So there are a couple of more patterns. Let's say first one is, for example, we'll try to shortlist first of all. Okay, let me quickly click on this, and we have touched many of the portions here. And let us go back here. Right. So if you see slash number matches the content of the see, this is what we need to look into now. There are many things. There are many things now. Did you see this? Slash number slash a slash w matches only at end of the string. Slash b matches the empty string but only at the start or end of the word. So there are many things actually in the real time, but when it comes to us, so we will use in the real time, if you know few things, that would be fine, fair enough to work on the examples. Okay, so the first one is slash d. Okay, so let me help you understand how we use slash d. For example, let's say you have a text. The text is um, hello, I am ABC, and okay, something like this. And hello, I am ABC, and I'm from state. And for example, I put some characters here, some digit characters. Okay, now, so guys, if you see slash d, so slash d, what it matches is it matches with any digit character. um, Matches with digit characters. Got it? So what does really mean? So single slash d means in the yesterday's examples, right? You understood that when we use plus, we have tried using plus star, right? Um, Quickly, let me show you where this. Where's the pattern with the no, with the one example here. So plus star we have already observed. So plus means what? One or more occurrence, right? Star means zero or more occurrence. So in the same way, when it's normal D, which means what? It matches any one digit character. Okay. So for example, let's say pattern is a pattern equal to pattern equal to slash D. Okay. Now, so if I do this, now match equal to ori dot match. Okay. Ori dot match. So what match will do? So match cannot find somewhere in the data, right? So for example, let's say pattern comma text. If you print matched, so that you'll understand whether it is matched or not, right? If you go and trigger this, what is this? It written none, correct? What did you notice? And one more thing, guys. So when we are using this kind of data, right? It's important that we should start using. There is something called R before the string actually. Okay. So R means here R means raw string. R means it's a raw string because when we are working on the when you are working on the data, so backslash, right? So backslash has some meaning in Python. So slash n means what? New line, right? And slash d, we got it. So slash s space. So it has some specialness actually in that. So to remove the specialness, what we use is, so we say r. Yeah, r means hey, it does not have any meaning. Please take as it is. That's where it is complaining. Do you see this? Syntax warning, invalid escape character sequence slash d. After fixing that, did you see this? That error, hey, still it is coming. Where it is? Line number? Oh, No, for which line it is complaining? Line number 3. Yeah, it is. Oh, it's documentation. Once again. No, it shouldn't be problem actually. If it is within this code, right, shouldn't be problem. Yeah, but it's complaining about this documentation. It's not happy with this. But if I put like this, then I'm just I remove the specialness. Okay, that's okay. Guys, see, we need to understand few things here. Okay, so basically slash n means what? Slash n means new line, right? So in order to remove the specialness, right? So we will put double forward slash, sorry, double backward slash, which means that it removes the specialness. If you don't remove, if you don't remove it, if it is like this, then it understands that it is a specialness is there. Did you see this? Clear? Naveen, is that clear for you? So slash d, which means that it's not happy because backward slash has some special meaning. So to remove the special meaning, we put one backward slash. Got it? Yeah. And even here. But in real time, we in when you're keeping or means raw string, so it will not make any complaint. Yeah. But in regular expression, many even the previous examples, right? You guys start using or means like raw string. So hey, please take it whatever it is. So for example, if I do this, if I remove this or for example, if I go and to kick this, did you see this? It is not happy. It is not happy with this line. Again, line number 9, it's not happy. See? So that's where if you put this should be work. So if you put R to remove the specialness, or what you can do is you can say A, remove the specialness of D. You got it? If you check it, what it does is it removes the specialness. But generally, slash D is for finding the digit character. That's where we will say, hey, you are slash D, but no special meaning. You got it? Yeah. So this is not matching. Why? Because R match it has limitation, which means that it can only find this from beginning in the beginning of the string if there is any number. For example, let's say if I keep 6 here. Now if I go back here, did you see this? It matched. But if I remove 6 and keep 6 here next, for example, then if I do this, did you see this? Meaning if something is matched at the very beginning, then only it will match. In between it cannot. Clear? Huh? That we already experimented yesterday's examples, right? Right. Now, in order to find anywhere, let's say this is not working. It's not working in the sense that what it's not matching, correct? So match method only matches at beginning of the string. If the string is matched, what is the string here? Slash d. So slash d matches with the digit character, matches with any digit character. Okay, 0 to 9. Understood. So now what is so this is with the match method. Now if you want to do the similar example with such method, let's say, so I'm just giving some meaningful name so that I can easily recognize uh, such pattern, comma, text. Got it? Now, if I print such, so who can tell me what will be the output for this? If I print this, ordered such, so pattern, comma, text. So if you see slash d means single digit, single number. Understood? If I put yeah, right. No, such only see it what it does is it get the pattern. What is the pattern? Slash d. Slash d means single digit character. any single digit character. Understood? But when it matches the first guy, it would stop searching and say return the match. Got it? So it starts from here. No, 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 no. Huh? Yes, not two, right? Only one is here. Oh, I'm sorry, not one is. It matches with only one digit, and since it matched with this guy, it say, hey, I had a match. This guy is matching with me. You got it? Right. So when I click on this, did it say this? What is the match one? One. It got matches one. You got it? So meaning 1/d matches one number. If you want to match one more a, can you match one more digit, for example? So you put one more slash d, for example. So what it does is this time it matches. See, it start matching for. See here, still keep going. Oh, one match for one d, right? Second d for second number. Makes sense, huh? That's clear. It matched one number for first d, second for second number. Now this time it matches 1 2. Got it? If I have 3 also, for example, or 4 5 also, for example, when I do this, it only matches what? Only d and d only. Did you got it, guys? Clear, huh? If I want to match with if I want to match with again, two more numbers, for example, so slash d. So which would exactly match 4 digits. So if I click on this, did you see this? 4 digit, it is there. If I remove one digit, then if I enter execute this, did you see this? There is no, it will start matching for 4 digit number, but it comes here, matches first slash d, second slash d, third slash d, and for fourth one, there is nothing here. Got it? And here only two digits are there. Here only two digits are there. So it will not match. Clear, huh? All right. So now what is the problem here? So when we are working on this, and so currently, so this is a pattern. And if I just if I just update the pattern, so see, for example, hey, get me all the digit characters from this string. Meaning what? It should you should write a pattern. It should match with 1 2 1 2 3 4. It should match with 4 5. Match with 2 3. So in this case, what is the best approach? If you say so, instead of this pattern, right? I think I'll put comment. This is bad way. Okay. So, but for learning it a good way. Understood. Yeah. But if you want to do this in a good way, how this could be? So if you want to match with good pattern, right? Say good pattern equal to. So how this can be implemented? So if you do slash d, for example, sorry, not f, right? So or slash d, if you use plus, what does really mean? So 0 or sorry, slash d means 1, right? One digit. What does plus mean? So plus means one or more repetition of the preceding character, right? So I put plus here. So meaning, hey, when I say plus, whatever the number prefix the prefix the pattern, right? The prefix pattern, it can be one or more repetitions. Understood? Now it comes here. Eh, See, good pattern matches with first and one or more, right? Match with this two. You got it? And here for slash d and one or more slash d one or more. Did you understood now? That's clear, huh? If I use the same example to search to, for example, say array dot search. This time I'll be using good pattern, comma. So good pattern, comma, text. Makes sense? And here print search to. Got it? And this time, see, array.search, what it will do? It will only find, see, search, guys, it's very important. Again, you don't tell me like, hey, what will be what will the match here? Search, whenever it matches the first pattern, it found a match immediately. It would not proceed further matching. Understood? So for example, it started matching here with a good pattern. It came in, it matched here. That's it. As soon as it matched found, because search has limitation, it will only find the very first match, and if there is a match, immediately return the value. That's it. But find all method would return every every matched item. Understood? Yeah. Now this time for good pattern, what will be the result? What will be the matched item? Using search method, or at search good pattern comma text. Who can tell me what? Perfect. Got it? Right. So if you want to get everything matched with that data, so find everything equal to, so re dot find all, right? Good pattern comma text. Got it? This way, if you do this, print uh, find everything, for example. So what this would get you? Who can tell me now? Volunteer? Molly? Perfect. Two, three as well, right? It, perfect. Got it? Right. No, is that concept is clear when you use slash d. Slash d matches with the digit character. Is that clear, guys? You find is it? Okay. So and even for example, let's say sometimes, right, we need to find digit character. Let me give some other pattern, okay, so that it will be more easier for you. This is one example. Let me give example 03, for example. Import RE. Okay, so now I will remove this bad pattern anyway, since we are already familiar. Understood. So, and I don't use match because match has limitation, so don't want to go with it. All right, right. Uh, okay, all right. Now, see, now I want to match. Hey, if the okay, let me update the pattern. Uh, this is a pattern to match 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 2, 3, for example. Now, what I want to do is I want to match there are some numbers. Let's say, for example, output what I'm expecting. Hey, if there is a number, if there is a number followed by hash, let's say hash some digit, some two-digit number. Got it? I want to match here. So in this text, what is that word actually where it is matching? It is matching here, right? Hash 2 3. Guys, did you understood? So meaning I want to match this guy. I want to match this pattern. Let's say currently it is this. And also, for example, ABC, say hash 45, for example. Now, in this, what are the what are the matches for hash 45? So now I want to match the pattern. See, this you already understood. So slash d plus. It is clear that it is matching with the numbers, but you also want to match with what hash, for example. That time what we will use is we will just put the hash here. You got it? So which means that what it does is see whatever the word match with hash followed by the digit, it will match. Clear? Huh? Example, um, hash 45 matches hash 23 matches. Guys, did you understood? So it matches with this, but it will not match with this. So if you want to get the data, for example, you might be working on some application, but application is giving some device information or some component information, presenting with this kind of text. So how we can find all the occurrences? It's very simple. So what is that word? It can be a star, it can be a hash. See, currently in the current use case, we had a hash. You got it? Yeah. And even hash also, for example, sometimes it might be a single hash or double hash. Sometimes you will see double hashes, right? Double hash or triple hash, for example. So you want to match with, for example, let's say here also I'll put single hash here, okay, and some number, because to give a 500 or some number, space here 900, for example, some number. Now, what is the what I want to match is, hey, I want to get all the numbers whose prefix is one or more of hash. You got it? So hash 1234, hash double hash 45. It has to match this two. You got it? But it shouldn't match with 5999 and 900. Got it? Now, this case, how this can be, how I can implement the pattern. See, hash plus, right? That's it. I'm done. Guys, did you understood? So plus for what? One or more of prefix. Clear, huh? This would match. This would match single or more hashes. This would match single or more digits. Is that clear, Naveen? Yeah. Any confusion in this? All right. How about Priyanka? Okay. So find all. Find all equal to. No, I'm using this meaningful name. You can put everything, anything else. That's okay. Find all, comma, good pattern, comma, text. Got it? Now, if I do a print find all, it would get you everything except the numbers, except these two numbers. Got it? This how. So when you want to play with it, you should be very, very clear. Okay. So there's one pattern. Now there is one more example where you want to try, right? So right. So now let me write one more pattern. So pattern is, now what I want to do is, I want to get the numbers. For example, let's say something like this, and yeah. Now what I want to do is, I want to get a pattern. See, my expectation is that number can have, see, string can have uh, hash followed by some number, hash followed by some number, but there should be a space actually. Understood? So now I want to match with space also. You got it? So meaning, this time, for example, it can be singular more, one or more, one or one or more hashes, one or more hash, and one one or more digit. You got it? One or more hash, one or more digit. We should match. Also, um, also one space at end. Got it, guys? Clear? Huh? So when I do this, if you want to match this, so currently what I'm expecting is, so this is one example. Okay. Now, so I want to match similar kind of, similar with, to support this thing. I want to match. I need to update a pattern such that it would match the respective pattern. Okay. So meaning hash followed by some digits followed by some space. Come here. So here, who can tell me whether this is matched or not? Not matched. It will, this also not matched, because it does not have a hash prefix, And so here, if you look at this, in this, right, space is missing. Got it? And here, hash is missing. Space, everything is, yeah. Here, hash is there, number is there, and the also space is there. It is matching. Hashes are there, one or more hashes, one or more digits, and space also getting matched. Clear? Huh? And how about last one? It does not have a hash, does not have a space. Yeah, got it? Like how it is working. Now, if I trigger this, did you see this? 1 2 1 2 3 4. Hey, how it is match? Oh, okay. The current pattern I didn't update it. I'm using the same pattern, right? So if I want to use space, even you can do one space here. So you can give one space. If you do this, then it will get you that actually. But for space, what we have is we have something called slash s. So slash s means space, single space. You got it? So if you do a single slashes, which means that it would match only one space. If it is slash d, one digit, slash s, one space. Make sense? Yeah. Any question in this? So to understand this, yeah, to understand this, I can also give you some heads up here. Um, this pattern, right? So hash is has flash, one or more repetition of hash slash d plus one or more repetition of digits. Okay, slash s, one space. You got it? Clear? Huh? So I just elaborated neatly here so that when you are referring quickly, you will understand. Yeah, makes sense, huh, guys? So that's what understanding these patterns are very. It's very easy. See, once you start understanding, right? You can start adding any pattern. Understand? So this one example, I just want to highlight to get the proper data, because some in the real time we might get data in any format, and by looking at it, you need to get the um, think about this. You need to get the uh, you can think a scenario where, for example, you have given some data. For example, let's say currently some TV channels, right? Uh, there is some distributor, so there's from some place the channels are getting broadcasted, and you have all the data. For example, now I want to see in which channel highest viewers are there currently, so that I can go and marketize my product, right? So think about this, right? In morning 4 o'clock there is a program, yoga. So if I do a advertisement in that time, would it be good, or doing advertisement during you know, uh, what we can say, some TV serial time? In TV serial time, there are many ladies are watching the program, right? If for example, let's say I want to sell a oil. Let's say I had a product, a hair oil, for example, and I want to do a advertisement. So which time will be preferable? It would be for sure, during the TV serials, right? Because ladies are our customers, right? They can find, let's say, if someone is, having a severe problem with hair fall, and they want to purchase some good product, actually, right? So that is a place where I can go and marketize. Understood? But in the real time, how it can be operated, right? So from the broadcasting, like from the distribution, right? So we will get all the data from different channels, and wherever the users, let's say, imagine each channel has some information. Now imagine data is something like this. Let's say user 1, user 2, channel 1 some information, channel 2 some information, right? Now if you want to get the data real time, how many users are there, right? So you can, since there is a pattern, right? For example, let's say uh, double hash pattern, this is the first user. So based on this, you can write a pattern, right? You can get the data. So currently Currently, how many users? There are how many users? We just had a two users, for example, in this match, right? Like this. Like this, it will keep going, guys. Clear? Huh? Now, let us move forward with a couple of more examples, writing the good patterns. Now, I think I can capture this as well completely. In the same example, if I go back here, example 05. Now, what I want to do is I want to let's say here. No, this is pattern with matching with this. Let me update some text. Also, I just change the change something else also. So, for example, now you understood what is slash d, what is slash s, right? This is the usage, and there is something called slash w. Okay, so slash w means word character. You got it? So word character, what it does is it really matches with let's quickly here you can see when you have a doubt, right? You can go and check it. See slash w. So what slash w is doing? Matches any alphanumeric character. You got it? So D is only for matches only decimal digit 0 to 9. But when it comes to W, so matches any alphanumeric character equivalent to see A to Z, capital A to Z, and 0 to 9 as well as underscore. Guys, clear? Huh? So W means see in general, right? When we are thinking about this, what it does, it simply matches with anything uppercase. There is a alphanumeric, right? In our case, so it is alphanumeric also underscore. Clear? Huh? It matches with anything. So let's try to understand this with few examples. Um, I think let me wipe out. That's fine. Uh, Remove the pattern. That's okay. So slash w, right? Matches if it is slash w. So matches any alphanumeric character equivalent to this, right? Now, if I write something like this slash w, right? So if I do find all, so slash w means what? Any character, right? Did you see this here? It matches with h, isn't it? Oh, is it matched with hash? No, correct. Why? Because it matches only between what? Between A to Z, capital A to capital Z, and 0 to 9 and underscore. Guys, did you understood? So I'll also put some underscore. Let's say somewhere here around. Yeah, right. Now, who can tell me what will be the output? Anyone can guess it? Of course, it's a list, that for sure, because Findall would written all the list of matched items, isn't it? Slash W. No, man. See, that's what. Can you read through it? No, 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 no. So slash, it's a find all. I mean, it's not such. So meaning, see, every character, you got it. So it matches with H comma E comma. See, because it's not a plus, correct? If it is a plus, then what it does, it from here till here directly one word, correct? But it is not a plus. It is matching with one character. But but when it comes to find all, right, every matching character of the text, whatever the text here, any character matching with this W, it will find everything, which means that H, E, L, O, 1, 2, individual positions. Even it matches with underscore. You got it, huh? Clear now? So meaning something like this. H, got it? Let's keep going. Yeah. So understood, huh? This how it is. No, is it fine? Did you understood? Right. Now, so this is how the pattern, this is how it works. Understood. Now, if I slightly change this pattern, for example, if I go with one more example, so here, no, I think I can make it here itself. Let's say what I'll do is I'll just comment this out so that that would not be printed out. And here now, a good pattern equal to, I'll change the pattern here. Let's say plus. You got it? What does really mean? Really mean, so one or more repetition of the preceding preceding what? Preceding text, correct? So here plus means what? One or more repetitions. So slash means slash w means any character, alphabets, upper or lower, numbers 0 to 9, and underscore. So meaning when I do a plus here, what does really mean? It matches, see, starts matching here. Any character come here, this one word. We got it? So this is the first match. And second match, it starts here until until space, correct? Because space also some new thing, correct? Next I, next AM 5999, ABC 45. Guys, you're getting right what I'm trying to say. Hmm? Right. So if I do this, if I trigger this, you'll come to know. Got it? Yeah. Any question in this? You're fine, is it? Yeah. Got it? Yeah. And one more pattern I want to, I just want to print, I just want to put a print, next. This time, no, I'll just keep it here above so that it will be quickly you can find it. Now, so if I do this, see currently hash plus. Now let's say hash plus space, for example. Let's say um, it should match with space. Now who can tell me what will be the match? See, simply it is very simple that it will not match here. So it matches actually. So it matched slash W. So from here till here it matched slash W. But what is the problem? Space was not matched. You got it? So instead of giving that, right, we will put slashes so that it would be neat actually. Got it? So it matched from here till here it matched slash W plus, but space was not there. So this is not a good guy. This is not matching. Understood? Next, from here till here it matched. You got it? So this slash W plus is it? Isn't it, guys? Clear? Huh? Also there is a space here. So then this is the guy matched. Clear? Huh? And here this is not matched. This is not this is and here if you observe until this point it matched, correct? And also I and space. This also matched only, no? Because how it matched? Because slash W plus means one or more repetitions of the alphabet and the digit and underscore, right? It matched with this. Also, it matches slash space also there. You got it? And this also matched. But when it comes to this word, particular character, so in this, what it got matched? It matched 45, 45 space matched. Keep moving. 23 space matched. Guys, clear? Huh? Let's print it. Got it? So whatever matched, we got the data. Make sense? Did you see? It didn't match. Yeah. All right. So next, one more thing. So like this, if you understood this style, right, you can easily understand. So this is one way, and let me put comment to this so that it would not display anything. Yeah. Now let me write one more pattern, right? So when you are using slash w plus, right? So no meaning using slash d. Why? Because this guy itself taking care of digits also, right? Matching digits. Understood? Right. Now, so let me give you one more example. If you want to match digits, you are clear. Matching with alphabets, numbers, and underscore, it is clear. You know how it matches, how it is matching. Understood? Now think about a scenario where you need to match. You need to match with you need to match with something. For example, let's say I had a text here. Currently, the text is uh, hello. For example, Naveen @ gmail.com, for example. Okay. And Sai, and next Molly @ abc.com, company email address, for example, let's say. And for example, let's say Priyanka xyz.com, for example. And this is a simple text. Okay. Now, what we need to do is we need to find all the email addresses from the text. Okay. So currently, these are the email addresses. You got it? So currently, these are the email address. Now I need to find, let's say if someone given data text like this, what you have to do is you have to find all the matching email addresses in a simple way. To match this, it's very clear that, so what is the identifier in email, guys? If you want to say if you want to identify, so what could be the what could be the pattern actually? Email address have some special character. What is that? Okay, now see, understood how I am building how I am constructing the pattern. So at is the what? So right? @ is the primary thing. Cool. And now before what I need to match? I need to match with the words, correct? It can be a number, it can be a word. So what is the slash w? And if it is slash w, which means only one word, right? One character. But if I want to match one or more, plus. Got it? @ After again, there is a word, right? Word plus again, correct? Plus. And what is the next one? Dot. You got it? Slash w plus dot. So it is matching with the dot. I'm directly matching this. And again, three letters, right? Did you see this? Three words. .com. You can directly give .com. You can directly give the original text, or you can do again slash. Got it? Now uh, print Findall. That's it. You're done. You got all the email address of the people, right? See, guys, clear? Huh? Did you understood? All right. Now, in order to guys, this see, even interviews they'll ask to write a pattern for matching with the email address. So they'll say email addresses. So they'll give example. Hey, email addresses. One is this, and for example, Sai Molly, for example, let's say. So I'm just combining both. Sai dot Molly. Hey, you're comfortable, no? You're not offended, right? Using some word. Yeah, we need to match with this now. Now, if you see, if I go with the same pattern, right? What did you noticed? So it is not happy with this, taking this guy. You got it? But email address is originally sai.molly, isn't it, guys? Now, to match with, see, email address can also contain like this. So, which means that dot is optional, for example. Did you understood? So, in order to comply this kind of thing, so how this can be implemented, guys? So here, right? Slash w plus dot. If I do this, for example, now what is the pro? No, sorry. Did you see something? It's not happy, right? Because you did not get proper email addresses. If you remove this, you are getting it. Got it? So here in this, right? In this, there is something called optional, right? So meaning here dot is what? Dot is optional, isn't it? So in this case, if you want to work on this, if you want to work on this, there is something you can try. So for example, if you take out this, so here, right? So slash w, fine. It should match. It should slash w, fine. It is matching with this word. Understood? If you do a slash w plus, what is really problem? The problem. What is the problem? Since it is a it is. Oh, how come it is finding this guy as well? One second. If I do this, this is fine. Okay, one second. Let us take one more example. Example 06. Right? Input RE, right? Slash W plus, this is fine. If I trigger this, we are getting this guy. And here it is missing with what? It is missing with characters, right? Yeah. Now we need to make something optional here. You got it? So in the previous sessions, right? Did we also discuss about question mark? Question mark, if I say question mark W plus, right? So let's say W plus and dot, for example. No, even I was not quite sure about this, but that's okay. Let's try this. Yeah, I'm getting dot here, right? So it is matching with I think, yeah, now I got it. See, when I do this, for example, let's say if I trigger this, I'm getting dot until dot it is coming, right? Also here, if I say W plus uh, W plus, I think it's not plus, I guess here. So I cannot use something like this. If I use W word character slash S, mm, so I can mention. Oh, I cannot mention numbers. That's fine. Uh, Plus, let's try nothing. Okay. If I put a question mark, for example, then it matches with slash W. Oh, my bad. It should be slash W, is it? If I do this, did you see this? It is matching with this. If I do plus now, it is matching with uh, I, right? Psi. So where is it? Sorry, here. No, it should match with. Okay, it should match with I. Perfect. If I do a plus, it should match. Perfect, right? Yeah. There you go. It's very simple. So here we know, right? So when I do this character class, so here what I have done is I have put one thing. So hey, this is optional. You got it? So whatever here plus and this optional and here this optional. I made two optional blocks, guys. Got it? Huh? No, remaining thing you already understood. It is to match with the exact data. So let's say Naveen at the rate xyz.com. This you are clear. But to work on this sai dot. So for this dot sai dot, for this word and the dot, we need to put like this. So in the previous example, in the previous day, we have clearly understood slash w means so not sorry not previous day plus, right? Plus we understood that when you do a plus, which means what one or more repetitions, right? And here, if when I do see what does this mean? For example, let's say what does this mean? ABC, for example, it matches with A or B or C, isn't it? Correct, right? But when I do this, what it matches with any character, any character, alphabets, uppercase or lowercase, numbers and underscore. Guys, clear? You are getting it or no? Can you confirm, guys? At least, yeah. Hey, Sai, you got it, Sai? Come again. Right, right. Yeah, got it. You're fine with this pattern. Now, did you understand how we can construct a pattern? See, now you understood. See, for anything, let's say for example, now I also want to match with. Um, I think email address is like most likely dot and underscore only, right? It can be dot. See, it can be underscore also. Even still, it can be Sai dot or let me, for example, let's say Priyanka underscore Naveen, for example, right? So now what I need to do, I need to fetch this one as well as this one as well as this one. You got it? Now, for this one, we don't need to have this guy. This guy is not required. Why? Because slash w plus itself taken care, correct? You understood, right? Guys, this word comes with practice, guys. Okay, yeah. Now, did you understood how we can construct the email addresses? So it's really important when you're using character class, it will match, and sometimes for, uh, mhm, correct. No, in the real time, see, it is up to us. Okay, it is up to us to. We need to understand. Hey, when you're working on the real time, we really not sure what kind of patterns they are using for the email addresses in the company. Understood? So these are the typical patterns that we know. But when it comes to real time, basically we used to uh, copy the some standard patterns. Let's say if you go to here, uh, regex uh, email email matching. How can I validate an email address using regular expression, for example? Let's say, right? not this one. One second. Or simply um, get email addresses from a text regex Python. Did you see here? Now, and this is not, see, I think we are exactly close. Got it? We are almost close. But our pattern is nice, right? Than this. Isn't it? What is this here? Who has written this? This is not at all a good thing, right? No, no one will remember this, isn't it, Naveen? See, this pattern, it really, yeah, right. So did you see this? So this is no more a valid one. So we don't want to use. I think no, that's what. Go with my example. That's fine. Right. So I think somewhere here, someone returned this. Um, I think these people are also very close to us, right? I think our example is stands top, I guess. Right? So okay. So hmm, I think we are good. Okay. For example, let's say this guy will take care, right? This guy slash devil is still take care of desert, isn't it? Let's say one to one. I tell one to one that I tell.com, for example, or .com or .in. This is the Airtel customer care number, right? Email address. Still, you got this guy out. Right. Any more questions in this, guys? So you can try out you can try out more examples, and also let me give you more we have covered slash d slash w slash s we covered, right? Anything else we have once again? Importantly, I think we are almost covered. Okay, and here there is something called I. This for a flags actually. If you want to ignore the case instance to case instance too. For example, uppercase, lowercase, right? We can do this. So we can set the flags, and quickly in order to close this one, we can do one thing, guys. Slash w you are aware, okay? If it is slash capital W match with A to Z, capital A to Z, 0 to 9, and underscore, right? So capital W means opposite of. You got it, huh? So meaning 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 other than. Clear, huh, guys? Understood, huh? Same. Slash D means what? Match with 0 to 9, right? And here, if you do capital D, opposite of slash D, meaning other than digits. Guys, regular expression will come, if you practice more. Understood. So you might understood the concept, but if you practice more only, you'll come to know how it is matching, what it is matching and all. Slash S, match with capital match with okay, opposite. Opposite of slashes. Meaning other than. Sounds good, huh, guys? You're okay with that, is it? Slash W slash. Okay, I think we are good. Anything else? Wanted to highlight. Mm, Correct. It match with. No, come again. See, no, simple. Slash W means what? For example, consider this only. Okay, consider this text. So slash W means what? So matching with only one character, right? One character because only slash W. So meaning it will match with this. Understood? And when you do a capital slash W, right? Which means non non slash W, small w, which means that other than these numbers it will match. So here it matches with what? So space matched. You got it? And here until this not matched, and it matches with at the rate. It matches with dot. It matches with space. Got it? Huh? I'm talking about slash W, guys. Clear? Huh? Okay. And slash D, slash capital D, for example. Capital D means what? Other than digit, it matches with anything. You got it? Everything, yes. Other than digits, it takes even matches with the text also, right? Because it's other than digit only, no? Right. I guess what you can do is you guys should get hands-on experience on this area. Okay, practice more. You know, I think I can find some use cases and share you the things. Or even still, you can since you also have matured enough to understood. Let's say write some random text and make yourself write some complex string which has some text in it, some character, some special character, whatever it is, right? And then you want to match. You got it? So think about this. Let's say text equal to you had you want to match uh, hello. You want to match with some text like this and digit followed by some special characters. Okay, if you want to match with this and space some text again. Hey, at the rate at the rate at the rate 456. So think about this scenario. So what you need to do is you need to write a one pattern that would match to find this text as well as this text, two text. So how this can be written? See, first thing, what did you notice here? So what is a what? So in order to write a pattern, right? So what is the common thing in both? Here, no, I want to match with only this. I want to match with digits and the special characters, right? Guys, it's simple, okay? It's simple. So first of all, what are the common one? So when you are working on this, right? So first you need to understand what is the common one here. What is the common in both? No, what is the common one? This two currently two are there, right? You want to match with this two. What is the common one? Sign in the two text. I'm just highlighting it in the both. What is the common? Digit character, right? Digit is common, is it? Okay. So for digit, you are clear, right? How we can do it. Slash D plus. You are done with it, which means that this guy is taken care already. Now what you need to do? You need to take care of these two guys. Clear? Huh? So meaning what? So you need to write something. For example, let's say uh, it can be, for example, here if you use hash, meaning hash, it can be zero or more repetitions, but it's optional. This guy is taken care now. Clear? Huh? No, yes or no? Yes, right? And when I want to take care of this guy too, so what I need to do after this, again I need to put this, and what is the symbol? Symbol is question mark. Sorry, not at the rate. Sorry, at the rate. And this is also one or more repetitions on, because it is one or more repetitions, right? And after this plus, what I should do is it's optional again. You got it? So now if you look at this, so it start matching with, yo, okay, this guy matched. And here next, this guy is optional. This can contain, this guy can contain, cannot contain. That's okay. Understood. And it matched with this. And when it comes to here, so this is optional, right? It's ignored. And it is, this guy is matching with this also digit characters. Guys, make sense, huh? Did you understand how I constructed the pattern? Yes, you okay? You're comfortable? No, why you are? No, it's easy, right? See, first of all, the logic is very simple. We need to find the common one. You have to solve the common one, and then check work on the optional one. That's it. That's the logic here. Once you are good, then you are good, right? So let me remove this print statement so that we. Yes, I know we are able to follow. Sai, are there, Sai? I think you're talking mute. You got it? And the print, what? Find all. That's it. Let's try. Let's try whether it's working or not. Let's check it. Oh, come on. It's not matched. Okay, nice. Oh, okay. Hold on. No, hold on. It is crying here. Line number 11. It's not happy with this. This guy. Let me take it from there. Okay. Good that it didn't match. Hold on. So pattern this, and text is this, right? It is not. It is this we make optional, right? Hash plus this is optional, and followed by this is optional. It's optional, right? Both are optional. Oh, if it is optional, hmm. No, I think something we missed here quickly. I can't even recollect because these are very long time. I didn't even worked on these things recently anytime. Uh, to, hmm. One second, let me do one thing. If I remove this, let's try. How come it is not working? Hash. Okay, this guy is matching. And oh, okay. So when I use OR, it removed the specialness of the digit. One second. And guys, when we are see getting stuck, absolutely fine. Okay. Now what we need to do is we need to work on the pattern part by part. You got it? So let's remove couple of things. For example, uh, let's try to remove this and see it should find all the patterns of numbers. See, it's working. We are getting the data. Fine. Next, you need to work on other one. For example, let's say remove this guy. Okay. you are able to get this guy out. Guys, you got it, how I am working. Did you understood? Hmm. So this guy is matching this. Hmm? Hmm. Right. This guy is fine. So I'm able to first get the second guy, but I also want to get the first guy too, right? When I want to this, hmm. So there is something called OR also there. Once again, let me try that. Um, what we can do is hash. This is what I need. It can be one or more repetitions. Optional. Okay. And if I put pipe here, which means that that one or this one. Let's try. Uh, oh, no, no, no. This is one group. This is grouping. Let me try. Yes, I guess I I could not recollect. Nice. This did not. This guy. Okay, this guy got this time all the special characters. I grouped this. And in this guy or hmm. If I do this guy or this guy. Once again. No, I'm missing something, guys. Clear. uh, okay, I'm getting this guy, but numbers are not coming out. If I remove this also, I'll still get that. Okay. If I remove this, then I'm getting this individually. Makes sense. Mm, okay. If I do this, then I'm getting the second guy. Oh, okay. I understood. Guys, I understood. See, did you observe this? In the see, by looking at this pattern itself, it is very clean for you. What I see, the second part it is matching, right? Guys, did you understood? It is matching with the second pattern, right? You are able to get this one, isn't it? But if you want to get the first one, can I also follow the same pattern in the first before the pipe? If I follow before the pipe, it should still work, is it? Did you got it? So hash means sorry, pipe means or this pattern. See, there is a mistake in this pattern. This one or this one. Understood? See, it is matching with this. But when I want to match, see this one or see here, number is okay. This pattern is fine. This other pattern, right? You need to match. This is one pattern. It is matching with this. If I want to match with this, I need to do the same thing, guys. Slash d plus. That's it. I'm done. Clear, huh? So here is a pipe. Pipe means what? Or. So match with this pattern. This is a pattern. This can be this one or this one. So first one for matching with this. Second pattern which is matching this. Is clear, huh? Understood or no? Thinking like a I think we missed that. Now we are good. Got it? Yeah. No, because see, regex, right? So it required a practice. So even no, for any session, I just come just like that and start the session. Okay. I don't even remember. That's where I was referring. What concept it has. Understood. So fine. Now, did we understand how it is working? How it is getting working? Even see when we are working on this, let's say if you don't understand or you need some reference, right, in the real time, we can simply this is a model, right? Meaning with library only. If you just click on the control button and click on this, it would take you to the complete documentation. So hey, these are the available options. These are the many options. So currently I have used pipe, right? So can you go and check it where the pipe is? See here. Now I have used this concept. A or B creates a regex that will match either A or B. So meaning in our case, pattern A or pattern B. Guys, did you understood? If you're using like some text, it will match with the text only. Text A or text B. right? But in our case, what? We have directly matched with the pattern itself, right? Understood. Naveen, is that fine, Naveen? You fine with it? Yeah. Now we are matching with something. Right. Any confusion? I think you're enjoying, right? So you're getting, see, that's very simplest thing is first you should find the common thing. Okay. The here or what we can do is see. I think I'll get you more easiest way. You never get this pattern anywhere, right? Let me try. For first one, what is the pattern? It's very simple, right? If I tell you, hey, can you write a pattern from this? It's very simple, right? Or so hash plus. You got it? And slash d plus. Isn't it, guys? Yes or no? For this pattern. Got it? No, correct, no? You're fine with it, is it? For the second one, what is the pattern? Again R, right? At the rate plus, got it? Slash d plus. Correct, right? Now there are two patterns. Guys, now there are two patterns, isn't it? You can also write, see, pattern 2 equal to pattern 2 equal to. So how this can be done? I think you can write directly like this also. Pattern 2 equal to, you should write like this. It can be this pattern or this can be second pattern. Yes, clear, huh? Let's try to use pattern 2. Let's try to understand this. Still you got output. Did you understood, guys? Clear, huh? This is more easy, right? I feel. Right? Naveen? We can simplify like this. So pattern matching, yeah. So it's when it comes to pattern matching, right? We need to understand. See, we need to start writing the patterns, okay? And we have to simplify. See, once it is done, hey, the pattern can be this or this can. We have to write like this. Ah, all right. I think this is the easiest way I feel, right? For you to work on some complex patterns. When you want to work on complex pattern, for first pattern, second pattern, write the pattern, and then join together. Hey, pattern should be this one or this one. That's true. I think that's all I have for now, actually. So we'll continue. Um, so, guys, if you have any questions, I can still answer them. Otherwise, we are good. You can start working on the pattern matching in the back.